What is this?
There's trash.
There's more over there.
Everywhere. Over the trail.
Right here. Bindo, right here.
Bindo.
Oh, man. Hey, you know what? Yorktown, you guys, I heard these rumors about this evil squirrel that lurks about littering trash.
Yeah.
Have you guys seen this guy?
Have you seen him?
Where? Which way?
Over there? That way. Oh, guys!
There he is! There he is!
Get down. Guys, we need to use our secret powers. Yes.
We need to use our secret powers to
defeat
vanquish him.
the evil squirrel. Jalapeno, you first. Go, go.
All right, I'll use my spicy.
Oh, no, it didn't work. Guys, I'll try my rain powers. Powers of rain. Oh!
The power of the bear! Oh, man. Oh, he's too strong.
Guys, we have to combine our powers using the Earthship code.
Here we go. CS.
C-R. C-D-G.
Ho-ho.
Yeah!
We did it.
Guys, look at that. We combined all of our powers. The Earthship code, it's got so much power underneath it. We defeated the evil squirrel. Yes.
And we just want to challenge you, Yorktown, to look for ways to use that Earthship code back at home with your community and find ways to better the Earth and make it a better planet for you guys and future generations.
All right, Yorktown, thank you so much for coming. We had an awesome 3 days with you. We hope that you guys are having a great time back at school and you have a great rest of your year. See you
See you guys later.
Bye.